Good evening, traders, and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay and safe. In this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how I make $200 on $100 account. Yeah, you heard it right. $200 on $100 account, $200 profit on $100 account in just 20 to 23 days of trading. Before I start, guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming video. So guys, I'm gonna show you. As you can see, this is the real money account. As you can see, that's the profit I have booked today. All the trades on this account is with stop loss and take profit. As you can see, the lot sizes are 0.01 only, and it's 5 trades closed today, and we make about $20, 19 something. So that's the reason I always says, if you want to stay in this market for a long time, all right, so you have to follow the risk and the money management. If you make rules of your trading, you will never lose it, because let's suppose if you make a rule, right, your rule is you are not gonna take more than one person. So what that mean is, you will place trade and you will take risk only 1% of your account balance. So what happened that, like, if someone says he's gonna 100% right, that's not correct. So to blow your account, if you take 1% of risk of your account balance, right, so you need 100 losing trades, and I can bet you in that no one is that much unlucky. Even he is not professional, no one is that much unlucky he gonna lose straight 100 trades. So always use the tight risk and the money management. So let's go to the history of this account. What happened to this account? As I showed you before, I'm gonna show you again. As you can see, this is the real money account. Let's move to the monthly history of this account. So yeah, so in summary, as you can see, this guy deposited about $100 in this account. He already withdrew $28. The profit on this account is $194. Right now balance is $266. So let me scroll up and show you. Yeah, as you can see here, on 27th of March 2020, this guy deposited about $100. So that's the trade he placed it, and he earned about $58 with from that, and he withdrew that money from that account as well. So from here, this guy gives us this account, and I set this account to copy trading system of my paid group. So what that means is, any signal I post in my paid group, it will open automatically on this account. Okay, so when it's, and I only set target 1, because most of you guys knows about my paid group. Who are in my paid group, I have 5 targets of each signal. What that means is, because the reason why I put 5 targets, a lot of people ask me why I have 5 targets in my paid group. So I tell a lot of time, but I'm gonna tell you guys one more time. TP1 and TP2 is for the intraday traders, the guys who can't wait for long term. So that's for short term traders only. TP3, TP4, TP5, that's for long term traders. The reason why the people came to me with different kind of stuff, like their requirements always are different. Some of them needs short term signals, some of them need long term signals. So it's hard for me to provide signals everyone individually. So what I go on this solution now. So that's the reason I make only one signal, and I tell the rules of my paid member, and they follow it, and they follow according to that. So let's come back to this account again. So I put this account on my copy trading system. So what's the rule of this account? This on every trade will only target my TP1. and that should be 40 to 50. My TP1 is always 30 to 40 to 50 pips. So as you can see, all the lot sizes are 0.01, 0.01, 0. As you can see, the trades are with SL and TP. 0.01. Here is hit SO, 1 SL again, TP, 0.01 lot sizes, as you can see, guys. So that's the reason I always say, always do the risk and money management. When you do that, you will stay in this game for a long time. You will stay in the market for a long time. Now it's on you. If you want to wash your account in one trade, or you want to place 100 trades for that account, it's only depend on you. So if you want to be a successful trader in this market, in Forex market, you have to make rules for yourself. And always follow your rules. If you don't follow your rules, you will lose. Maybe one trade it will go good and it will give you big profit, but I'm damn sure, and I can bet you on that, the next trade they will kick you out from the market. So always make the rules for your trading. As you can see, so yesterday we have a bad day on this account, so it's 203 SL hit yesterday, I think, yeah, on 20th of 7th. So that's the trades we opened. So as you can see, guys, it's $100 profit, 194. That's the profit with the deposit of $100, and the balance right now is 266, guys. So guys, I have request for all of you guys, please, before you go, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, there is a link in the description, so you can take it over there, and my username is over there as well, so you can contact me on Telegram. All right, take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.